vlog family. I hope all of you are doing well. It's your girl again, Ekwa Bellissima. On today's kitchen, I'm preparing sausage roll for these festive holidays. So let's see our ingredients. That's what we are going to use for our sausage roll. My flour, chopped red onions, my eggs, of course my sausage. I have my sausage too here. My spices I'm going to use, my butter or margarine, salt to taste, my milk, it's here, sugar, and then baking. Let's start with our recipe. So I'm going to start with my sausage dough, okay? So this is my flour. I'm going to list that all the ingredients that I'm using below the description box for you to try it also. So this is my flour. I'm adding my baking powder, my sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, because my drink I'm using, there's no salt inside. After then you mix everything together before you add your margarine. I'm adding my margarine or butter. Then use your hands to mix it together. Very simple one and quick as such. The children do love it because it's very delicious. You have to make sure your margarine or butter has been mixed well with the flour, like this. Everything has been mixed well. Then we add our milk to it. If you don't have milk, you can use water to mix it. Doesn't matter. Use it gradually, not everything at once. Are you having for those Christmas festive holidays? Just look at this recipe and then try some for your family. Very simple. Okay, now I'm going to add any more milk to it again. Let's check. So I'm covering it and then put it aside. Then do the filling. You can put it inside your fridge or put it aside. So I'm going to blend my sausage with my spices. If you have processor, you can use it. You can use blender. I'm using blender right now. Are you spending your holidays? Please change your kitchen. You have to change your food for this festive. So I'm adding all my spices to it. I've already told you all the ingredients listed below the description box, so don't worry. Then add my 2 eggs. transfer it into my bowl. So I'm adding my chopped onions to it. That makes everything together. It's optional, if you don't like the onions, don't add it. But it's delicious when it's inside. Okay. So we are done. So we are going to put it aside and then bring our dough, then roll it. We are done. Nice. You can use some of your flour to sprinkle on top of your table and then put your dough inside it. I'm going to divide it into two. And then roll it. Going to roll the half. We're going to roll it. But whilst we are rolling it, you have to on your oven. You have to preheat it so that when you finish, it will be cooked very fast. Going to roll it, everything. Adding my filling to it. Very simple. Very simple one. I want it very thick. Roll it like this. This side we are going to use our egg to seal it. Use my egg to seal it. If you don't have egg, you can use milk. And you seal it. After you cut the edges. Arrange it inside our tray. Then use your fork to make a hole on top of it. Like this. Okay. Very simple. Going to bake it in 180 degrees Celsius, 20 minutes. Then it's ready. Very fast. So it's going inside the oven. We are waiting for 20 minutes. Then our sausage roll is ready. Sausage roll is ready. Oh la la! Just look at it. Ready. Hello, our sausage roll is ready. Just look at it. Very nice one. Look at the inside. Very delicious. The outside is very crunchy. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like,